I am hoping to start reading this book very soon, and I will definitely give a review on this book.
One eternity later.
As I had promised earlier, today I am going to do a book review on Trace by Patricia Cornwell. Namaste friends and welcome back to Ankita Nirpaji's YouTube channel. So, Trace is written by American crime writer known as Patricia Cornwell. She has written good number of books, and Trace is the 13th book of the Case Carpenter series, which she has written in 25 parts, and it contains 25 books in a series. Trace can be read as a standalone as well, just like I did. Now talking about the series, Carpenter series is based on the medical examiner named Case Carpenter. The series revolves around her family, her profession, how she is involved in solving the mysterious cases which come to her throughout her profession. That's about the series. And coming to the plot of Trace. Miss Carpenter, the protagonist of this story, has left Richmond 5 years ago from her post of chief medical examiner. He is asked to return back to solve a high profile murder case of 14-year-old girl called Gilly Paulson. Marcus is the guy who has replaced her position, and he calls her back to assist him in the case. How does she solve the mystery? That is the plot of this story. What I like about this novel, first one is writing style. So style is very good because she has written good number of books and she knows how to write. That gives you the flow of reading. Second point what I liked is explanations. If you are an imaginative kind of person, you can relate to me because this plot is written in an imaginative way, explanatory way. That's written quite well, and I appreciate the author for that. Third point I like is the characters. Character of Case Carpenter is portrayed like she's one of the best doctors in her field, and she is doing an amazing job. She is very good in all the maintenance and is liked by all the people in the book as well. So she is given the right place. Second character I like the most is Lucy. Lucy is the niece of Carpenter, and she is like a bossy and a jovial character as well. So I liked her too. Coming to what I did not like about the book, first and foremost thing I did not like, I wanted to change this is the villain. So I did not expect him to be the villain, and the reason was also not quite reasonable. I want to ask one question to the author. After all, why did you choose him as a criminal? That quite disappointed me as a reader. The second thing which I did not like about the book is the plot is finished so early. We can find the criminal at the early stage, and then it is just like dragging. It does not give any interest, just the remaining part for just the sake of reading. Yeah, that also quite disappointed me. So the third point which I did not like about the novel is some point there was loss of connectivity. So dots were not connected and dots were left as it is. It was not continued. Story of Dr. Marcus, the chief medical examiner at present, is left behind in the first part itself, and it was not quite uh, satisfying. The last part I did not like is the ending. The ending was so abrupt that it should have ended little better. That is what I felt personally. And yeah, that was about what I liked and what I disliked about this novel. And would I recommend this book to you? I think there is no problem in reading this novel at least once. To try it out. I would like to give 3 stars out of 5 stars to this book because I believe that any book you read gets at least 1% of knowledge to you, and that is not a time waste but it gives knowledge. Yeah, that's it for today's video, and this was the book review of Trace by Patricia Cornwell. I hope this video has helped you in choosing whether to read this book or not, or any other books by Patricia Cornwell. Do comment in the comment box to give any suggestions. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll be back with more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.